Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a pizza known as the Red Zone. All right, to start off, the pizza dough I'm using I purchased from the deli of my local grocery store. Like I said, make it yourself. A lot of pizza places will sell you dough. In a pinch, you can use the stuff in the tubes, but if you go with Pillsbury, I advise adding a little salt to the dough because there's, for whatever reason, their pizza dough is just super sweet. Anyway, but the sauce is easy enough to make. It involves 28 ounces of tomato sauce or two 15-ounce cans, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you want the sauce a bit spicier, kick it up to 1/2 teaspoon. You mix all them together, together in a crock pot, set it on low for at least 1 hour. Or if you want to save yourself a little more time, you can certainly make the sauce before you go to work. Just leave it in the crock pot, and boom, it's there for you when you get ready to make dinner. All right, let's start topping our Red Zone pizza. All right, first thing up, we have some roasted red peppers. Then we want to add a nice little layer of pepperoncini peppers. Then you want to add a layer of Canadian bacon. And then you want to add a layer of pepperoni. And then a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then pop this into a 500-degree oven for, 10 minutes. Or until it's, the edges are brown and the cheese is all melty and gooey. Again, when I make the dough, when it's my dough, it's $5.50. But again, store-bought dough, $500. And after about 10 minutes, you're looking at something like that. So that is the Red Zone. Done.